Inkantolo ephakeme yase Pitoli isimmisile uAdvocate Malesela Teffo kwesokuba ngummeli. Icele ukuthi alethe nezitifiketi zakhe zokusebenza enkantolo. Teffo nobemele abasolwa abane kwelokubulawa kaSenzomeyiwa wesula kuleli cala ngoNtulikazi. Umkhandlu obhekele ukusebenza kwabameli wafaka isicelo enkantolo sokuthi Teffo amiswe emsebenzini noma asuswe ohlwini lwabantu abasebenza njengabameli. Lokhu kulandela ukuthi umkhandlu wathola izikhalo ezimbalwa ngaye, ezinye ezenzeka ngaphambi kokuhlala kwecala lokubulawa kukaMeyiwa. Kuzokubalwa ukungayiphathi ngendlela efanele enkantolo kanye nokwedukisa inkantolo. uAdvocate Teffo usola umengameli Maphosa iNPA kanye nongqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ubheka Icele ngokuba nesandla emzameni yokuthi aphelelwe ngumsebenzi.
The respondent, Advocate Malesela Teffo, is hereby removed from the role of legal practitioners. 2. The respondent must surrender and deliver his certificate of enrollment as a legal practitioner to the registrar of this honorable court. 3. In the event of the respondent failing to comply with the terms of this order detailed in paragraph 2, within 2 weeks from the date of this order, the sheriff of the district in which the certificate is be authorized and directed to take possession of the certificate to hand it to the register of the honorable court.